Hey y'all, welcome back to the Hebert house. I'm so glad to be able to film a video today. As you see, I'm still on my couch, so I'm still on bed rest due to some bleeding during my pregnancy, but I'll update you on that later. But I'm excited today to show you an unboxing of the Amazon Baby Registry welcome box. I'm just so excited. Give me all the samples. But before I do that, I would love if you are new to our channel to make sure you subscribe below. And if you like this video at the end, please hit the thumbs up button, and I'm glad you're here. So let's get into it. So I have opened the box just so I could kind of get ready for the video, but I wanted to show you what it looks like. So it just comes like this. It just says Baby Registry, and it's an Amazon box. And you do have to do a couple of things to get this box, which people love to complain about, but you know, people have reasons to complain about everything. It's not hard. If you have Amazon Prime, which I think 90% of America does, you can get this box. If you don't have Amazon Prime, you can get, I think, like a month for $10. And I know I was watching another video and a lady said that she did that around Christmas to get like her Christmas presents. And so that's an option. If you don't, I'm sure you have like a cousin or a sister or a neighbor, somebody around you has Amazon Prime. So that's just a note. Then after you have Amazon Prime, you develop your registry. And so they give you prompts on what to pick out. And as soon as you have your registry filled out, you're available to go to the next step. And the only other thing you have to do is there has to be a purchase on your registry. Now, we went ahead and did a purchase on our registry just because there was a monthly like measurement blanket that we wanted for the baby. You know, like you lay the baby on and it has like different months. And it was, I think, $12.99, and I knew that I wanted it anyway. And so we just went ahead and ordered that, which qualified us once it shipped to get the box. So it does have steps to get it, but for me, sitting on bed rest, it wasn't no big deal. It was easy for me to do the registry. I knew I wanted the blanket, so I went ahead and ordered that. I mean, you could even put your prenatal vitamins on the registry and buy those. You got to get them anyway, so might as well. And then when you buy them, you get the welcome box. So that's what you had to do. So I'm going to go ahead and get into what is in the box, and I'm just going to pull things out. So the first thing are 2 wipe samples. The first one is Bloom Baby, and it just says they're natural ingredients, they're uber soft, sensitive hydro wipes. Let's see if I can get that to focus. Oopsie, there you see. Sorry. So that's the first sample that was just right on top. The second sample is water wipes, and I'm really excited about this one because these are the wipes that I'm going to use predominantly for our baby if I have to buy them. I mean, obviously I'm not going to turn down wipes from other people if they give them to me at showers, but these are the ones that I plan on buying. And they are 99.9% water, 0.1% fruit extract, chemical-free water wipes. So you can see. And so this is a sample of 10 wipes. So I love that I already have these that I can put in the car or in a diaper bag. So that's the first 2 samples. The next thing that's on top is this Pampers Mom-to-Be Registry gift. And it did have plastic on it, but I went ahead and took it off before the video. And you get this cute little bag, and it feels waterproof. It's a great little just like pick up and go bag. And in here, you have a sample of Pampers Sensitive Wipes. There's 6 in here. So you have those. And then also in here you have a newborn diaper. Was anybody else like amazed at how tiny these are? Look at a little, you can't really tell because it looks big compared to my head because I'm on the video, but it's just so tiny. Anyways, so you get a newborn diaper, and then you also get, this is just like an information card on how to stock your nursery with Pampers items. But you also get a coupon book, and in this coupon book, it has, $1.50 off Swaddlers, $1 off wipes, Vicks Baby Rub, Dreft laundry detergent, Crest toothpaste. I mean, it has really good coupons in it. So I love couponing. So that is a good find for me. So all of that was inside this cute little pouch from Pampers. Alright, so next you have Dove Baby Tip to Toe Wash. See if I can get that to focus. There you go, without the glare. So this is rich moisture, helps retain your baby's natural skin moisture. It's hyperallergenic, tear-free. So just a little of, I guess, the Dove Baby line sample. So the next thing that was in there are these Dreft samples. Dreft is like a baby detergent that you can use to wash the baby's clothes in. And it says it rinses thoroughly, leaving clothes soft next to the baby's tender skin. And there are 3 samples in there. So you can do 3 different loads. It's for one use, which is great. You know, preparing for baby or washing any clothes that are given to you or that you buy. So that sample is in there. The next sample that is in here is from Hebert. And this is a breastfeeding guide. So it's helping mothers breastfeed longer, and it has a lot of information in this book that they send with it. So I'll probably read that. I haven't read it yet, but I am planning on breastfeeding, so that's exciting. And then in here they give you 2 different samples of a daytime leak pad and nighttime breast pads. And so these are just, you know, for when you're out and about or when you're at home. And then they also give you a little information card about the Hebert bottles and breastfeeding system. So that's a cool little sample. Alright, so I'll show you the other 2 boxes and then I'll show you the 2 big things. The next sample is from the Honest Company, and I love their products already just to use in my house. And so I have looked into using them for the baby. They are a little bit more pricey. So I don't know how I feel about spending the money on the diapers just to throw them away. I'm definitely not like a cloth diaper mama, but if I can get free samples, I'm down with that. And maybe it'll change my mind. But so Honest has this sample pack here. When you open it up, it has, the packaging turns into like an information card and gives you a little bit more information about their product. And then you get 2 diaper samples, which I have to say their diapers are like the cutest things I've ever seen. So this one is, let's see, like snails and grasshoppers. So cute. And then this one is like a girly color chevron print. And these are diapers. Like, they're just so cute. So those are the 2 diapers that they send you. And then they also send a sample of the Honest Company wipes. So another wipes sample to put in a diaper bag or to have around the house, which I love having these. So okay, that. So, and there's 10 wipes in here. So that is what came from the Honest Company pack. And then the last sample pack, before I show you the big things, is 7th generation. So it has this little box, and then inside the box there's a sample for Coconut Care Pure Coconut Oil Moisture Lotion. Show you that. See if I can get it to focus. Sorry guys. So there's the lotion that it comes with. And then it says there's, oh, it's a coupon that you can save. And then this is cool. If you want to add these items to your registry from 7th generation, all you have to do is just scan this and it'll put it directly on your registry. So this is a sample of 2 wet wipes. These are free and clear wipes, safe for baby hands and toes. And then the next sample is 7th generation clear and free laundry detergent packs, and there's 2 in here, so you can do 2 loads with those. And then the last thing is a 2 diaper sample from them, and these are really cute too, y'all. They're like little owls. Let me see if I can get that to focus. Yeah, like owls and little nature print, and they give you 2 of them. So that, if you're keeping total, that is 5 diapers and a ton of wipes. And 5 loads of laundry that I can do from this sample box, which is pretty awesome. And so I'm gonna show you the 2 big things that the box come with, which are the next 2 things. So the next big thing it comes with is this. So it's a whole pack of diapers, which is awesome. These are size 1. There's 20 diapers. They're Huggies little snugglers. A whole pack of diapers, just awesome. So you can see that came in the box. And then the last thing that came in the box, which I'm so excited about, is this muslin swaddle. Can you see it? It's got little like hedgehogs on it. So I'll take it out. You can see what it looks like. But look how cute it is. So these are just swaddle blankets. Everybody who's a mom knows about muslin swaddles. I'm just learning about them because they did not have them 12 years ago when I had my big boy. So, and it's just a cute little pattern. It can work for a girl or a boy. Probably a boy a little bit more, but if it's a girl, I'll totally still use it. It's really cute. And these are, it has a little bit about the Muslin Swaddle Club, where it can teach you how to swaddle safely. And that's really exciting because SIDS is like so scary. And then it shows you over here how to swaddle the baby. Oops, sorry. It shows you over here how to swaddle the baby. So I was excited about that. It's just such a cute, easy little blanket. So that is what came in the Amazon box. It is supposed to be a $35 value. I think it definitely is. There's great samples. There's so many things that you can use, you know, throughout the baby. And it makes it easy because sample sizes, obviously you can just throw them in your purse or throw them in the diaper bag, or even like have them, if your nursery's upstairs, having these downstairs. I love these samples. So all in all, I think this is a great welcome box. Like I said, it takes a little bit of work to get it, but okay. So it takes you a couple minutes on Amazon. Who's not on Amazon already all the time? I am. So either way, I think it's a great box. I'm excited to be able to use the products and to test them out. If I love any of them, if I use them before the baby and I just love them, I will let y'all know so that maybe y'all can look into them. And if you have any other questions about getting the Amazon welcome box, leave them down below and I'd love to be able to answer them for you. And I think that's pretty much it. I am going to go through when we do register the baby and show you all of the goodies we get from registering at the other stores that we're registering at, and I will do those in a later video. So I hope that y'all have a great day. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, if you did, to please like and subscribe, and I will see y'all later. God bless.